Here is my new agent, EmoGenie. When you give text, it puts emoji bullets or emoji numbering, or it puts emoji anywhere in the text when relevant. So let's see this in action. I put three sentences and just submit the text. This is designed to generate and add emoji. Suppose I wanted this as bullets. So you have to pass a parameter, double exclamation, B for bullets. And there you have it. Instead of multiple, it found one relevant emoji per sentence and then it has put it like bullets. The third variation is I want simple numbering 1 to 3, but I want emoji to be used for the numbering. So instead of B for bullets, you put double exclamation N and then it'll do numbering for you. Maybe you want to see all three variations and then choose from them. Double exclamation A for all. So first it gives you the standard, then as bullets, and then as numbers. You can use this copy button. Even though it says copy code, it's text. So you can copy paste it wherever you want easily. Is let's say I already have text which has emoji. I want to get rid of them. So the parameter is R for remove. Then it'll keep your text and remove all emoji from it. So these are the 5 capabilities of EmoGenie Agent. So do you know the real benefit of this tool? There are 3,900 plus emoji and many get added every year. When you are actually typing, how many of us have the time, energy, patience to find the right emoji? We just end up using the same old common emoji. So now, with AI selecting the right context appropriate emoji for you, with no extra effort, your communication is enhanced with meaning and emotion. So, where to use it? So many different scenarios. The last one requires explanation. As you can see, this is a smart art. In smart art, what happens? I put the text first and then I say convert to smart art. But this is very plain. Yes, designer will give you suggestions and it will find graphical icons, but they are monochrome. Yes, it'll try to give color to each one of them, but then within the icon, there isn't any color. So emojis are colorful. So compare this with what we just saw earlier. Another variation is, let's say I'm just putting a list, but I don't want bullets. I want numbers. Simple, easy, effective. Convert it to a smart art. Let's say I want to convert it to a simple smart art like this. Now there is no numbering. But if I put emoji numbers, I don't want these bullets or numbers. And now I convert it to smart art. And these numbers will remain as a part of the smart art. The obvious question is, how do you use EmoGenie? There are two ways. A quick method where you can install this agent yourself and use it, but you can't customize anything. Second option is I'll show you step by step how to create EmoGenie agent yourself. In the process, you will learn how to create any kind of agent. What do you require? A Microsoft 365 account. The lowest, cheapest type of Microsoft 365, like Business Basic, F1, E1, will also work. So let's start with the first method. Download the zip file, which is called useemojini.zip. Then go to Teams. In Teams, on the left side, you will see a plus sign called apps. You'll see lots of apps. The bottom, you will see manage your apps. Again, you will see a long list. We want upload an app option. So click on it and choose upload a custom app. And then select the use Emojini zip file. You'll see Emojini logo and the description of how to use it. Click on the add button. It's now installed and you'll see a button open with Copilot. So although we did all this inside Teams, it is now a part of our Copilot. It'll open Copilot in Teams. You can also go to standard Copilot chat and refresh. And there you have it, the Emojini agent. Click on it, and now you know how exactly to use it. Simple and easy. Now let's learn the second approach, how to create the Emojini agent. First, download this file and unzip it. Second, go to a browser, go to office.com and sign in using your corporate ID. Now you'll see the Microsoft 365 Copilot page. chat experience. This is the free version of Copilot. Now, here below this, you will see agents. We are creating a new agent, so click on this. To configure this agent, first we have to give it a name. You don't have to give this name, you can choose your own. It's a good idea to give an icon so that we can differentiate it visually. The EmoGenie icon I have given you, it's a part of the zip file. If you want, you can select that. So go to upload and select. I'm just going to drag drop that PNG file. Click apply. Next, we will put the description. The description is useful when you share this with others so they can learn exactly the way to use the agent properly. So this is the text file I have given you. Go to the description area and select from here all the way just before the instructions. Copy this and paste it in description. The text box here is quite small. If you want, you can increase its size and have a look. Next, we have to put the instructions. This is telling the agent how to behave, what to do, what not to do, very detailed guidelines, rules, regulations, everything you can put here. Go back to the text file. Below the instructions, the first word is role. Start selecting there. Don't drag down, just scroll down till here, shift and click. Suggested prompts come later. Don't select these. So copy and paste under instructions. There is no knowledge part required. Ignore this. Scroll down. Now we have suggested prompts. When you go to Emojini, it gives you instructions or samples of what you can do with it. For example, I want to add emoji bullets. So click on this, then it'll give you the syntax, and all that you have to do is put your text here. It'll show you 3 suggested prompts, and you can create more. So go back to the text file and look at the suggested prompts section. Here we have 2 columns, title and message. You will have to copy paste one by one. Let's say add emoji bullets. Copy the title, paste it here as title, and then copy paste the message. Like that, do it for the rest. So now close this pane. On the right side, you will see agent preview. So even before we have created it fully, we can test it out. So let's test it with a sample. This is my data. I'm not giving any parameters, so it should add emojis wherever relevant. It figured it out. Let's test the same thing with bullets. Even now, it's going to put an icon or an emoji, but only in the beginning and only one emoji at the start. Perfect. So test it out and finally click on the create button. And now it will open the agent for you. And now you can start working on it. Anytime you want to customize it, change it, go to these 3 dots and edit. But before that, it's a good idea to pin it because if you like this agent, I'm sure you're going to use it often. So I'm going to edit this because I want to show you one more thing you should do to maintain this agent in the long term. After clicking on edit, what you should do is put a version number here. So whenever you make a change to the instructions, change this number to the next one. What numbers to put entirely up to you, but it's important to do this. Why? Because next time you are using the agent, you know the version number. The next thing you need to know is how to share it with other people. 3 dots, click on the share button, anyone in the organization or specific people in the company. So I'm going to share it with my boss. You can copy the link and share it or just say apply. So when the other party clicks on the link, this is what happens. Their Copilot will open automatically on browser. So EmoGenie 2.2, click on the add button. Next, it will appear in their agents menu. And if they want, they can pin it so that it doesn't move up and down. So to recap, we learned 2 useful things. The first one is how to use EmoGenie, and second, how to create agents from scratch. So if you found all this useful, try it, share it with everyone, like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more and work smarter. See you soon. Thank you for watching.